Welcome back everyone, and if you're coming to Ella in Sri Lanka, we got you. We're spending about 10 days here, so this week we're putting out multiple videos of everything that we do. Today we're going to go to the 9 Arch Bridge, it's this famous bridge in Ella, and then we're going to go to a cooking class at our favorite restaurant here. We're also going to go through everything that we pay and the cost of living of traveling in Sri Lanka. So come along for the adventure. So sadly we actually checked into a new hotel, our favorite hotel that I showed you in our last video. They booked out, so we couldn't extend there, but we're in a new place. We have the most beautiful view with the most amazing sunset I've ever seen. So this place costs about $20 a night, so $10 each. And here's the view. Now the catch is that this is all the way up top of the mountain, so you have to walk all the way down to get to the main road. But we are in the city center, so it's a perfect location. It's just a bit of a hike. But it is beautiful, and I'm telling you, the sunsets are divine here. And there's even a little living area where last night we just drank our tea, watched the sunset, ate some dinner, and watched some TV. So it was perfect. Now I kind of messed up and I didn't make a video when we got in, so it's a little messy, so don't judge. So this is not bad at all for $20 a night or $10 each. It's got everything we need. Comfy bed, 3 pillows each. Sadly, the AC is not working, but we knew that prior to booking, so they do have a fan. It comes with a boyfriend that makes you coffee. Thank you, baby.
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh my gosh,
Really hot.
I'll get it after. A TV, a little mirror, views for days. Look at that view. And a pretty decent bathroom. So $10 each, not bad. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and then start our day. This is spiced tea and flake chai. Ooh, okay. Thank you, baby. Oh. Thank you. Wow. So we got string hoppers, coconut sambal, dal, and I think egg curry. Not bad. And this cost $1,000 each, so $3. We cleaned that up. How you feeling? So we're actually coming back to this exact place for a cooking class tonight at 4 p.m. It lasts 2 hours and I think costs $12? About $12. So we're gonna go get dressed, get ready, go to the 9 Arch Bridge, and then after that we'll be back here. So see you soon. After eating all of that, we have to walk up such a big hill to get back to our hotel room. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look that steep on video, but I promise this is like 80-degree angle. Hi. I'm gonna puke. What is this? Isaac. All right, and I am ready. Let's get going. Now, we could have walked about 35 minutes to the 9 Arch Bridge, but we're still getting over sickness and we're just so fatigued that we're gonna opt to take a tuk-tuk. It's probably like a 5 to 10 minute drive, so I'm assuming it's gonna cost about $500, but let's see. I am already dreading going back up this thing. It's easy going down. I'm not even recording. He's trying to show off for the camera. Hold on. Okay, so they wanted 2,000 to take us there. So we're just gonna walk for 35 minutes. That would be 4,000 to come back. It's not worth it. It's a 10-minute drive, so now keep in mind 2,000 is about $7, and that doesn't seem that much, but in other places in Sri Lanka, a 10-minute drive would cost about 250 to 300 rupees. So it's a lot more. Like I said, one thing I don't like about Ella is their rideshare apps like Uber and PickMe don't work, so that the taxi drivers can charge you as much as they want. But we are always down for an adventure.
A little exercise is always nice too.
We definitely needed to get back up to our hotel. We're gonna grab a water for an adventure. So the map says to go straight, but we were told that once you hit the sign, keep following the orange little arrows and it's gonna take you right to the 9 Arch Bridge. So let's go.
We're walking through the woods now. We spoke to two girls who were just coming out, and they said it was quite a bit of a hike, a lot longer than they expected. So let's see.
Yeah, the Google map said 35 minutes, but it also told us to follow that road. So we don't really know what we're in for, but we are down for the adventure. We are committed now.
Can we have two, please?
How much?
250.
250 each? Not bad. Now these are king coconuts. They're like orange/yellow, and they're apparently a lot sweeter. Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers. Fresh. I like. Beautiful view. They said it's about 10 more minutes to get there from here. So we've only been walking for like what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
So 25 minutes total, not bad. Wow.
Oh no.
What? Oh no.
It's a good thing I brought my hiking shoes.
Your Birkenstocks? I'm photobombing them. We stopped at the cafe right next to the bridge, and we're just going to split a mango smoothie for $700. Ooh.
So we like it.
With 2 straws.
Oh yeah.
And sweating so bad, so we are going to take a tuk-tuk back, so let's see how much that's going to cost us. So they originally said $3,000 for a 10-minute tuk-tuk ride back, then they went down to $2,000. Still way too much.
Picked up another bottle of water for $160. It's so hot out here, we stopped sweating because we're so dehydrated.
Yeah, not good. But we're almost back. Then we're gonna get ready, get a shower, clean up, and then we have to be at the cooking class in like 45 minutes. So we gotta hurry. All right, we got a quick shower, put on some new clothes. We're about to go to our favorite restaurant for a cooking class. So let's go.
Yamu.
Yamu.
Chef Isaac, Chef B.
This is fennel. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Mustard seed, pepper, salt, curry, turmeric, chili. Okay. Eggplant, dal, potatoes, green beans. I forget. Green beans. Pumpkin.
feel like a little child. I'm so excited.
That was absolutely amazing. I didn't even get a video of all the food because we just dug right in. We met some friends that did the cooking class with us and they told us about this gelato place. So we're gonna go put more food in our bodies and get some delicious gelato. Let's go. Wow. All right, they said which one was it? The Holy Grail. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't know. This one looks good too. The Nutty Professor looks good. Sea salt and caramel. Oh, that's the one I might do. That one. We're doing 2 scoops for $13.50, which is about $4.50. All right, we just got back. I forgot to mention that the cooking class was only 3,500 rupees, which equals $11.83. Dinner would have been like $4, so it was like $8 for the cooking class, so not bad at all. And the total for today is not bad at all. And stay tuned because tomorrow we're waking up at like 3 in the morning to go to the safari. I'm so excited. I want to see elephants so bad. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.